Welcome to my channel, Brainblitz, the ultimate quiz of planet Earth. Do you really know our planet? Let's find out. How long does it take Earth to rotate on its axis? "24 hours." What is the largest ocean in the world? Yes, it's the Pacific Ocean. What is Earth's nickname? It's the blue planet. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? The moon. What do we call this phenomenon? Tornado. Incredible! This is a It's fossil. What is the age of our planet? Answer A, B, or C. It's 4.5 billion years. What scale is used to measure the power of earthquakes? The Richter scale. What is the name of the imaginary line that cuts the Earth in half? The equator. Incredible! What is the name of the Earth's outermost layer? It's the crust. How many days does it take for the Earth to orbit the Sun? "365 days. What do we call this phenomenon? An aurora borealis. What is this part of the Earth called? The inner core. Good job. What is the largest country? Russia. What is the Earth's population in 2024? There are 8 billion inhabitants on Earth. What is the largest continent by area? It's Asia. What is the name of the material emitted by an erupting volcano? Lava. Among these three species, which is most prevalent on Earth? Ants. There would be 20 quintillion of them. Where is the majority of Earth's freshwater located? In glaciers. What is the smallest continent by area? It's Oceania. What is the least populated country in the world? It's the Vatican City. What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by water? 71%? How long does it take for sunlight to reach Earth? It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Over 200 million years ago, all of Earth's continents were part of a supercontinent. What was it called? Pangea? What is this layer called? Yes, it's the mantle. What is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere? Nitrogen. Very good. The largest country in the world by population in 2024? It's India since April 2023. Which of these cities is always flooded? Venice. What produces the majority of the world's oxygen? Plankton produce 50% of oxygen. What is the science that studies the Earth and its rocks? Geology. What mainly causes waves? Wind. How many languages are spoken on Earth? Answer A, B, or C. It's about 7,000. Incredible, isn't it? What is the deepest lake in the world? It's Lake Baikal. It's located in Russia. The first forms of life on Earth were bacteria. That was several billion years ago. What is the percentage of oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere? %. Very good. Who proved that the Earth revolves around the Sun? Well done! It's Nicholas Copernic.